authorized resellers. The details that go into your project assessment is what's gonna help understand the project and be able to build out a proposal based off of size of measurement of the windows, window system, control options. All that is what a proper project assessment is all about. So when measuring a window, remember, we do not go with the actual opening of the window itself, or we don't go from frame to frame of the outside. We go from glass opening. What is glass opening? Pretty much from the inside of the glass to the inside of the glass. You do not account the frame system or the opening of the actual window itself. So in this case, the measurement of this glass, once again, it's gonna be 32 3/4. That's literally from glass to glass where the glass meets the frame itself. That 33 3/4, now you will remove 1/8 of an inch from each side. So that's 1/4 in total. Those are the measurements that we need for the fabrication of our iTints smart film. And then that 1/8 of an inch gap gets sealed off with a neutral cure silicone that now will protect the smart film from any water, humidity, and then also gives it a nice, beautiful aesthetics. That is what you are required to give us for an actual proposal itself. And then control options. Are we going to control it with a manual wall switch? Is it going to be integrated with a smart home system? Pre-wiring is essential. Glass companies, window companies, once you have the windows installed, already tell your builder, your GC, your project manager about iTints smart film. That way they can have a wire drop designated to the actual window system. Aesthetics is everything when it comes to iTints smart film. So for all my authorized resellers, whether you're already stepped into the future or my future authorized resellers looking to incorporate a new service to increase income, give your clients better solutions, hit the link below and step into the future with iTints Technologies. Welcome to paradise. This is Miami at its finest. Look at this, guys. I like to say, we live where most people vacation. Miami is known worldwide for its famous, beautiful beaches, its culture, its vibes. And we get to experience this every single day, overseeing these beautiful views, rooftop vibes. And speaking of rooftop, look at this design they incorporated in this home. They actually have a rooftop pool with an actual glass floor where you can literally see right through, and from the bottom you can see right up. So make sure that you don't do anything kinky in there because everybody downstairs is gonna see what you're doing. But anyways, to each its own, guys. I hope you enjoy this. This is behind the scenes. So all my future cadets and resellers here local to South Florida, make sure to hit the link below, apply to become an authorized reseller, apply to become an authorized technician and even a dealer with iTints Technologies. Learn from me and my team. We take you behind the scenes, real live projects, from project assessments to installation. Our 13-step proven system is designed to teach you to go from zero to hero with iTints Technologies. See? Yeah. So at least give them the option. It's always good for them to see that they can have different tint levels for the smart film, and then you could just plug and play just like I showed you right now. This is how we get power straight to a receptacle, and then it has output, which is the one that goes to the smart film itself. 18 gauge. So just like a Lutron shade, we're good with that.
Got it. Let me see the output. Yeah, the output.
All right, guys, that's it. This is how we do. This is how we work with our authorized resellers. When you're building out your dream home and you have windows of this size, you definitely need our iTints smart film system. But contact us in the early stages so we can do a project assessment, do a full walkthrough. We give you our recommendations on what type of smart film in each area, and even our solar control window film, which is needed when you have a lot of direct sunlight. And with this Miami heat, you definitely need some sun control. So click the link below, apply to become an authorized reseller with iTints Technologies.
iTints for that glass, step into the future.